Welcome to Educaloy. Today we are discuss about different isoline. We know that there are several isoline. Isoline means equal joining line based on different aspects like equal temperature, equal temperature which is joined by a one line, then equal we can say equal height, equal cloud height. So iso means equal, so equal joining line whatever the parameter is, so that particular aspect is known as isoline. Now there are several isolines which we need to explain in this video, as this is really important in net set exam viewpoint as well as the several entrance exam in all over the India. So today we are going to learn about the several isolines one by one. So let's start. First one, isobars. So isobars is the line representing points of equal atmospheric pressure. Then next is isobath. Isobath represent the points of equal depth underwater. Okay, equal depth underwater. That equal line, that equal point which is joined by one line is known as isobath. Then third is isobathytherm. Isobathytherm, uh, a line representing depths of water with equal temperature. I mean water's depth with equal temperature is known as isobathytherms. Then isochism. Isochism is line representing points of equal recurrence aurora. So we know that aurora, about aurora australis and aurora borealis. So based on that aurora, so that is equal recurrence of auroras is known as isochism. Then isochim. Isochim is line representing point of equal mean winter temperature. So mean winter temperature is known as isochim. Then next is isochrone. So isochrone is equal time distance from a point, such as transportation time of a particular point. So any kinds of equal time distance point which is joined by a one line, that line is known as isochrone. Chrone means time. Okay, so isodopan is equal transport costs for a products from productions to the markets. Okay, so transport cost equal transport cost, this is based on isodopan. We learn about isodopan in the theory of Weber. Then isodose. Isodose is equal intensity of radiation. Isodrosotherm is equal dew points. Now isogeotherm. Isogeotherm is equal mean temperature. Okay, equal mean temperature in a particular year we can say. Then isogloss. Isogloss is line separating linguistic features, that is known as isogloss. Next, isogonal. Isogonal means equal magnetic declination. Isohaline means salinity, equal salinity of ocean water. Isohel, receiving equal sunshine, amount of sunshine. So those point in the earth who received the equal sunshine, that joining line is known as isohel. Then isohum. Isohum means equal humidity. Isohet. Isohet means equal precipitations. Next, isonap. Isonap is cloud cover. Okay, equal amounts of cloud cover. Isopatic. Isopatic means same time each fall or winter. Okay, so line representing points where ice begins to form at the same time each fall or winter. Okay, isophane is a representing point where biological event occurred at the same time, such as crop flowering, such as fruit flower, some fruits flowering. So all depends all that as same time periods, when these events are occurs, then that line is known as isophane. Then isoplate, acid precipitations, equal acidity or equal acid precipitations is known as isoplate. Then isoplate is the points of equal numerical values such as populations. As an example, we can say that in a particular village in India there are there are 10 village, maybe suppose the population of those 10 villages are 2000. So this when we connected those villages with a line, that line is known as isoplate. Then isopore is known as magnetic declinations. Okay, annual change of magnetic declinations. Then isosphere means equal atmospheric density. Then isotech means begins to like the representing points where the ice begins to melt at same time each spearing. Okay, next is isotach means line representing point of equal wind speed. So these are some isolines as well. The next is isothere. Isothere is the line representing points of equal mean summer temperature. Okay, so mean summer temperature is known as isothere. Then isotherm means the point of equal temperature. And isoteams means equal transport cost from the source of the raw material. So there are some isolines which is really which we need to understand to do the proper MCQ answer in views in aspects of net, set, slate, as well as different kinds of entrance examinations. So there are the reference where this concept has been taken. So these are some, like, this is an important and a short video regarding the aspects of the different isolines which we need to understand on the aspects of geographical nodes. Okay, so yeah, so these are the things. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and please share and like. If you have any queries regarding any aspects of geography, then you can ask your queries in the comment sections. Thank you.